I'm cutting some foam out for a bench seat inside of the back of a boat, and I just wanted to make a quick video. I'm just using a bread knife, a regular manual bread knife, and if you do it right, you get a nice pretty clean cut. And let's show you how to do it. I got my straight line drawn, so I'm going to come down and I'm just going to get me a little start right here. And what I do is I press down a little bit and I just come straight back like this, straight down my whole line. And the trick is press straight down. Don't try to go at an angle, because your knife will get cocked off at an angle. And then once I get that done, I just come down a little bit firmer and keep going down like that until I feel the bottom. Again, you can separate a little bit, you can feel it separate, and you just press down like that, and you keep pressing down just like so. And one last time for good measure. Perfect cut every time.